fierce snowstorm going on outside right now.
Yeah. Good thing we're all inside, safe and sound and warm.
Evie! 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 I'll fix. Jolty on.
Oh yeah. Lady Mew went outside to do some training this morning. It was clear and calm.
She's still not back. I'm thinking she got caught in the storm.
You may be right.
You think we should go out looking for her?
Yes, I think we should.
Wario and I can handle it. Right, honey?
Yeah, we'll go and find Lady Mew.
All right, let's do it. Come on, Lady Mew might be in trouble.
Right you are. Oh, wow, it's really coming down hard.
Yeah. Lady Mew's out there somewhere, in that storm.
We need to find her as quickly as possible.
Agreed. Lady Mew! Lady Mew, are you out here?
Lady Mew, if you can hear us, please answer. I don't think you should be continuing your training anymore. It's getting pretty bad out here.
Yeah.
I thought I saw her trail, but it's quickly fading.
Yeah.
Let's search over here first.
Okay.
Oh, Lady Mew!
Lady Mew! Lady Mew, where are you?
There's no trace of her over here. Come on, let's search over there.
All right. We need to find Lady Mew. Oh, it's getting even colder.
Yeah. Getting harder to walk, too. It's getting harder to see.
Yeah.
Lady Mew!
Lady Mew, where are you?
This is not good.
No, it's not. Do you think she went in there?
Maybe. We need to check it out. We must find Lady Mew. Huh? Did you hear that?
I heard something.
Lady Mew, is that you?
Mew, mew.
I recognize that voice. It's her. She's in trouble. Come on.
Where are you, Lady Mew? Toadette, Wario, is that you?
Yes. Where are you? We can barely see.
I'm in the forest. Please come find me. I can't get out.
We're coming. Lady Mew, there you are.
Oh, thank goodness you came. Oh, we're worried about you, Lady Mew. Oh, it's so cold. I can't move.
Hang on, we're gonna get you out of here.
Oh, thank you again for coming to get me.
It's what we do.
Yep. Now let's get home before it gets too dark or too stormy.
Or both.
Yeah. I made a big mistake. I should have came back home at the first sign of that storm. I thought I could handle it.
We all make mistakes, Lady Mew. What's important is that we found you and we're gonna get you home.
Oh, why did you come into this forest to train? It's so harsh. It's how I get stronger.
The snow's coming down even harder.
It's so hard to see. Oh, it's so cold I can't concentrate. My psychic powers are not working here.
I can barely see.
Oh, which way did we come from?
I don't even see our footprints anymore.
We might be in trouble.
We can't give up. We gotta keep trying. We'll get there.
This doesn't feel right.
I agree, but what choice do we have? Every direction feels the same.
Oh my.
It's like every step I'm tripping over something.
Me too. Me three. Maybe we should call home.
Right. I'm not getting any signal with my phone. Try yours.
Okay. Same. I have no phone signal. Oh, and it's so cold I can't use my psychic powers to guide us. Oh,
Stay close together. Keep each other warm. If we can't find our way home by nightfall, we're going to have to build a shelter out here. Come on, let's try over this way.
hey, there's someone there. Oh, it's a Lucario.
Lucario?
Yes, a fighting and steel-type Pokemon from the Sinnoh region. They say Lucario has the power to detect and use aura.
Aura?
Mew, 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 mew.
I'm sorry. We apologize for disrupting your meditation, but we're kinda lost.
Yes, can you please help us?
Great. Thank you very much, buddy. We're trying to get to our home. Thanks for helping us out.
This terrain is so rough. I agree. It's It's ideal for training and getting stronger.
Whoa! I agree. It's like every step we take, we're tripping on something.
I know. Mew.
I don't believe we've seen you around these parts before, Lucario. You were on a journey from Sinnoh to do some training? I see. Well, it's good to meet you. I'm Wario. This is my wife, Toadette.
Hello.
And this is Lady Mew.
Mew.
How do you know where we're going?
You're using your aura to trace our steps? Wow, that's incredible. Oh, it's so cold out here, I can't focus. Yes, I know, I need more training. It's so cold. Don't worry, we'll get you in soon enough.
Look, I think I see it up ahead.
We're almost home. That's our home, all right, Lucario.
Yeah. Hey, listen, thanks so much for helping us out. I don't know what we would have done if you hadn't been there to help us.
Oh, that's very noble of you. We're so sorry we took you away from your training. Oh, that's very sweet. Oh, I don't know how much longer we could have lasted out there in the cold. Not much longer. Look, I'm sorry, but I just don't like it when it's sub-zero like that.
You'll be all right. Well, I suppose we better go in. We'll let you go back to your training, Lucario. What's that? You say the whole reason you came on this training journey of yours was... So, you have no home to go back to. It was destroyed?
Oh, that's horrible. Oh, we can't leave him out here in the cold like this.
I agree. Hey, Lucario, how would you like to move in and live with us?
Yes, that's a wonderful idea. It would be nice to welcome a new friend. Everyone's super nice, Lucario. You'll fit right in.
Awesome. Let's go inside. Oh man, it's so good to be in out of the cold.
You're telling me? Oh, we would not have lasted much longer out there. Oh, guys, I'm so sorry. This is my fault. I should have come home at the first sign of that storm's approach. I thought I could handle it. Eevee. Oh, we're just happy you're home safe and sound, Lady Mew.
Yeah, don't worry about it, Lady Mew. So, who's the new guy? Ah, everyone, this is Lucario, our newest member of the family. Oh, that's wonderful. Welcome to our castle and our family, Lucario.
Lucario really saved our butts out there. We were lost in the blizzard and he used his abilities to help guide us home. Oh, that's great. That's... wow! Yoshi! Yoshi!
Oh, Jolty, Jolty! Let's have something to eat. Oh, I know the perfect thing to have. Is it pizza? How did you know? Because we have that 3 times a week. Not often enough. We need to have more and more pizza.
All right, Mario. We'll have pizza tonight.
Yahoo! Yeah, now we're talking.
Ah, excellent day.